Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Spot, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here today.
It's great to see you, David. How are you doing?
I'm good, but actually, Emma, yesterday I was in a coffee shop. The person asked, "How are you?" I understood perfectly. But do you know what I said?
What did you say, David?
Nothing. I just smiled and pointed at the menu. I was so embarrassed.
Oh, no, David. But you know what? You are not alone.
Really?
Really? This happens to millions of English learners. They understand everything, but when they try to speak, their brain stops working.
Yes, that's exactly what happened to me. I felt like my English was broken.
But David, your English is not broken. And today we are going to help everyone who feels the same way.
That sounds perfect. This is a very important topic.
It is. But wait, before we start, we have a small, friendly request.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please take just 1 second to give us a like.
That thumbs up button, it really helps us.
And please click subscribe to English Podcast Spot. You will never miss our new episodes.
Thank you so much. Your support is amazing.
Okay, Emma, my voice is locked. How do I find the key?
Good question, David. The first key is very simple. You must listen and repeat.
Listen and repeat. But I already listen every day.
Yes, but you listen quietly. Now you must listen and speak.
Oh, so I hear a word and I say the word?
Exactly. There is a technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Yes, exactly like that. You become the shadow of the speaker.
How do I do that?
You listen to a podcast, you hear, "Hello, how are you?" You say, "Hello, how are you?"
At the same time?
You can start slow. Listen to one sentence, press pause, then repeat the sentence.
Listen, pause, repeat. That sounds easy.
Yes. And when you feel good, you can try to speak with the person at the same time.
So I am not just hearing English. I am making English sounds.
Perfect, David. You are training your mouth.
I like this first tip. What is next?
The next tip is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? But Emma, people will think I am crazy.
No, David. You can do it when you are alone.
Alone in my room?
Yes, or in your car, or in your kitchen. You just say what you are doing. Like what? Like this. I am making coffee now. I need a cup. Where is the sugar? Oh, I am sitting here. I am talking to Emma. I am happy. Perfect. You are doing it right now.
This is easy, but why is it good?
Because your brain must find the words. You are practicing.
I see. My brain is working, not just listening.
Yes. Try it for just 5 minutes every day.
5 minutes. I can do that. What is tip number 3?
Stop learning single words.
Stop learning words? But I need more words.
No. I mean, stop learning lists like cat, dog, house, tree.
But how will I learn new words?
You learn chunks.
Chunks?
What are chunks?
Chunks are groups of words. They are phrases. They are ready to use.
Give me an example.
Instead of learning the word good, learn that's a good idea.
That's a good idea. I can use that in conversation.
Yes. Or you know what I mean. Or let me think.
Let me think. Oh, these are like tools.
Exactly. You don't build the sentence, you just use it.
Like, that's interesting. Or, no problem.
Perfect examples, David. These chunks make you sound natural.
Yes, and they give your brain time to think of the next idea.
Perfect understanding, David. So start collecting chunks, not single words.
I love this. Learn chunks, not single words.
Now, the next tip, you must speak every single day.
Every day? Oh, Emma, I am so busy. I have work.
Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours on Sunday.
Really?
Yes. Speaking is like exercise. You must do it often.
Okay, but who do I talk to? I am shy.
You can talk to your phone.
My phone doesn't talk back to me.
You use the voice recorder. You record yourself.
Oh no, I don't want to do that. I hate my voice.
David, your voice is fine. This is a very good tool.
But Emma, what if I sound terrible?
You don't sound terrible. And remember, no one will hear it. It's just for you.
Okay, but how do I use it?
Very simple. You ask yourself a question like, what did I do today?
Okay, what did I do today?
Then you press record and answer. Today, I woke up early. I drank coffee. I went to work.
And then I listen to myself?
Yes. You listen and think, oh, that was good, or I need to practice that word.
So I am my own teacher.
Exactly. And no one is listening, just you.
That takes the pressure away. I will try it.
Good. And here's another fun way role playing.
Role playing? Like acting?
Yes, you pretend you're in a restaurant or at the airport.
And I talk to the wall?
Yes, you can be both people. Let me show you.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to the restaurant. What would you like?
I would like a pizza, please.
And to drink?
Water, please.
Perfect. You just had a conversation.
That was fun. And I can practice different situations?
Yes, at the store, asking for directions, at the doctor.
This is amazing. When I go to a real restaurant, my brain won't stop.
Exactly. You are ready. You can practice every day with different situations.
This makes speaking feel less scary. These tips are great. But Emma, I have a big fear.
What fear?
I am afraid of mistakes. I am afraid people will laugh.
Ah, David, everyone feels this way.
Really? Even advanced students?
Really? But I want to tell you a secret.
What secret?
Mistakes are your friends.
My friends? No way, Emma. Mistakes are bad.
No, David. When you make a mistake, what happens?
People correct me?
Yes. And then you learn the right way. The mistake taught you something.
I never thought about it that way.
Mistakes mean you are trying. Mistakes mean you are brave.
So if I say, I goed to the store instead of I went to the store,
Someone will help you. They will say, went. Now you know for next time.
you cannot learn without mistakes. It is impossible.
Exactly. So, David, should you speak even if it's not perfect?
Yes, the goal is communication, not perfection.
Did the person understand you? Yes? Then you win.
So if I say, I want buy bread, and the person understands, that's good?
Yes. Later you can learn, I want to buy bread. But first, communicate.
That makes me feel so much better.
And here's our last tip. Practice answering fast.
Answering fast?
Yes. Conversations are fast. Listen, speak, listen, speak.
That is the hard part. When someone asks me a question, I freeze.
That's normal. So you must practice. You can use a language app on your phone.
The app asks me questions?
Yes, it says, "What is your name?" You must answer quickly. My name is David.
And then I get faster?
Exactly. Or you can find a friend who is learning English.
How do we practice together?
You ask each other simple questions. What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast. Quick answer.
Perfect. The goal is to make your brain faster.
So if I practice simple answers, I'm ready for real conversations?
You got it. The secret is to practice replying, not just listening.
With practice, replying becomes automatic.
Exactly. That's fluency, David.
This all makes sense, Emma. I feel ready to try.
You can do it, David. You speak very well right now.
Thank you. These tips are so practical. I can start today.
Yes. Let's do a quick review for everyone listening.
Good idea. Tip 1, shadowing. Listen and repeat what you hear.
Tip 2, talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing every day.
Tip 3, learn chunks, not single words.
Tip 4, speak every day. Just 5 minutes is enough.
Tip 5, record your voice. Be your own teacher.
Tip 6, role play. Pretend you are ordering food or asking directions.
Tip 7, mistakes are friends. Don't be afraid to make them.
Tip 8, practice answering fast. Train your brain to reply quickly.
That is a complete plan.
And remember, everyone, you already understand English. These tips help you speak English.
The English is in your head. Now bring it to your mouth.
The most important thing is to start today, right now.
Yes, after this episode, try one tip, just one.
Small steps lead to big results.
Perfect, Emma.
And remember, everyone, you already understand English. These tips help you speak English.
The English is in your head. Now bring it to your mouth.
Perfect, David.
Well, that is all for today.
Before you go, please subscribe to English Podcast Spot and give us a like.
And share this with a friend who has the same problem.
We have a question for you. Which tip will you try first?
Yes, will you try shadowing? Will you talk to yourself? Will you record your voice?
Tell us in the comments below. We read every comment.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing. Bye-bye.
See you next time.